Hi again, you're watching Fryin with Faren. In this episode we're doing tuna, solid white albacore. And I am not looking forward to this. Normally I like tuna, but something tells me the heat is not gonna help the smell on this one. Oh god. I'm gonna drain some of the liquid. So I'm gonna fry this one up a little bit differently because it's so wet. I'm gonna breadcrumb it first. Oh, that is just gnarly. I hope it stays together in one clump though. Alright. Into the batter. Please stay in one piece. Oh, I can feel it breaking up. Oh no! No! Breading! Come back! Okay, go. Oh, it fell apart. Oh, that is just violently going. Okay, this one I'm making a ball of tuna, and hoping it's gonna stay together better, but I can already tell it's not going to. Oh, it's just powder. Just get in there, get in, go. Tuna was just a bad idea. Recording? Honestly, this one piece stayed together pretty nice. Definitely gonna enjoy that one. Or maybe not, I don't know. I'll probably hate it. Alright, these look done to me. I don't know, I've never deep fried tuna before, but they look crispy. The original fish and chips. Oh. Alright, this is what deep fried tuna looks like. Doesn't look too bad. I think Gordon Ramsay would approve. Alright, here we go. It just tastes like really cheap fried fish. But you know what? I think it makes it better, because that stuff straight out of the can is pretty nasty. I say try it. This one's meant for deep frying.